Welcome everyone to NYX Picks. I'm so excited to share this week's top 5 picks that I have for you with exclusive discounts on everything. Now that we're working from home, I've got Rex here. He's going to be my assistant. He wanted to join in on today's episode. So thanks for joining. Every week, Thursdays at 3 p.m., I'm going to come to you live with my top 5 picks of the week. And each one of them is going to have an amazing discount that I've secured specifically for you. The first NYX pick of the week I'm so excited about. It's a product that I've been using for a long time. I've turned a lot of people onto it. And the product is the Beach Waver. This is an amazing hot tool that has a rotating iron. It's on right now. So the whole premise of this is to make curling your hair, to create those beachy waves easier to create. And so my whole mantra is beauty shouldn't be a bitch, and I love the Beach Waver because it has that same idea. It's really easy to use. You just put your hair in a clamp, you rotate it, you hold for a minute, let the curl set, and then it rotates the other way, and it creates a beautiful wave curl. You can control how tight you want your curls to be. There's different barrel sizes. You can control the heat. I'm so excited to be bringing this hot tool to you guys because I found that it's helped me so much, and I know if you're looking at hair tutorials right now online, this would be something that would definitely be helpful. For the Beach Waver, you are getting 20% off. The code for this is Beauty Girl Wave. Normally retails, it starts at $129. You go to their website, beachwaver.com, you will see that there's different types of irons. Some have thinner barrels, some have wider, depending on the type of thickness and bounce and wave that you want to get. So if anyone wants to score this deal, do it by April 16th. My second NYX pick of the week is a fragrance that I have been using for years. I actually turned my mom onto it. And what I love about the fragrance is that it's ageless. There's a teen that's starting to work with perfumes and get interested in that. This is appropriate. You could go from 13 to 80. Honestly, this fragrance and the scent, it's a combination of herbal and clean, and it's so good. And this fragrance is Allure. It has a roller ball, which I also really love. And it's funny because Rex over here was just trying it out for the first time. And what did you say?
It smelled good.
Yeah, he loved it. If you like gardenia, I wish you could smell through the screen. If you like gardenia, you will love this scent. It's not too complex. The fragrance lasts throughout the day. It's not going to fade on you, and it's not too potent, and it's just kind of like that perfect signature scent. Oh, normally, Allure is $80, but for the NYX pick, we are doing 35% off through Mother's Day. So this is a great deal, could be a great Mother's Day gift. It's Allure NYC, and I can't wait for you guys to try it out. Who's ready for NYX pick number 3? Okay, number 3 is an amazing makeup tool. And a lot of people might not know about it yet, so I'm excited to introduce it to you. This is the Blend Smart. And what's so cool about this is not your typical makeup brush. It has a battery. You press the power button and you'll see that the brush rotates. That when you're applying your makeup, you don't need to use as much, and it blends it out for you evenly. It allows your makeup to go on smoothly. It kind of mimics the usual motion that a makeup artist would do. So you still will move it like this along your face when you're applying, but it really helps things to blend in. Now, this is very easy. It's a magnetic top, and this is the foundation brush. There are other attachments like for powder makeup and so forth. So you can get the beginner kit, which is the tool with the makeup tool with the foundation brush. That starts at $66, and then you can go beyond that and get multiple brush heads and so forth. So the Blend Smart is 30% off through April 15th with the code BEAUTYGIRL. Normally starts at $66 and goes up, but you're gonna get 30% off with the code BEAUTYGIRL through April 15th, and the website's blendsmart.com. We're moving on to NYX Picks number
4.
4. And that is from a clean skincare brand that I love and have featured on TV before, and that is Alpen Beauty. Now this brand is really amazing, especially if you are living in extreme elements, like if it's really cold or your skin is always dry and flaky and red. Somehow the founder has found the right formula using wild crafted ingredients, all from Jackson Hole, Wyoming, to create a product that is going to hydrate and nourish your skin. It feels so good. This, I wanted to point out, is the Plant Genius Survival Serum. It can go on under your makeup as a primer, I'm going to show you, or over. It's got a little bit of shimmer, so if I just put it on over my cheeks, it really helps to add a bit of a shimmer finish to it. There's also an eye balm, and that's like thick and creamy but not tacky. So I'll just, enjoy and indulge while I'm speaking with you guys. So Alpen Beauty, the great discount here is 20% off through April 21st, alpenbeauty.com, and that's with the code BEAUTYGIRL. So again, 20% off. Normally, just to give you an idea of the price point, the products are around, the two that I showed you, around $60, like $62 and $68. So 20% off is a great value. NYX Picks number 5 for the week. Had to talk makeup, can't leave makeup out of it. And this is from Fresemme. This is a mascara that is an incredible volumizing mascara developed by a makeup artist based in Chicago. She actually used to do the celebrity guest on the Oprah show. She's done a lot of bridal shows, just a working makeup artist who noticed a need. And so what's interesting about this is that this mascara will build volume without forcing you to do 500 million layers. So I can even show you, I'll take my mirror here. I'm wearing it now, but it really does, you shimmy from the bottom and up, and it just adds a beautiful volumizing effect to your eyelashes. So I wanted to introduce you to Fresemme. Now Fresemme is normally $18. The discount is 45% off. This is through April on their website, fresemme.com. So there you have it, all 5 NYX picks for the week. Number 1, the Beach Waver, 20% off with code BEAUTYGIRLWAVE. And that is on beachwaver.com through April 16th. Number 2, the must-have signature scent that every woman needs, Allure. 35% off through Mother's Day, AllureNYC.com. Such a gorgeous scent. Code BEAUTYGIRL. Number 3, the ultimate makeup tool to make applying makeup easier, the Blend Smart rotating brush head. 30% off through April 15th, and that's on blendsmart.com with code BEAUTYGIRL. 4th NYX pick, Alpen Beauty. This is a beautiful skincare line. It is 20% off through April 21st, alpenbeauty.com. Again, the same code, Beauty Girl. Finally, NYX pick number 5 of the week. This mascara from Fresemme, a wonderful volumizing mascara, water resistant, and this is 45% off through April on their website, normally $18, and now you basically get it for half off, again with code BEAUTYGIRL. I really hope that you guys can take advantage, enjoy these discounts. This really is all about you and for you, and really thank you so much for watching episode 2. We did it, high five. Woo! Bye everybody.